This is a $5 gun.
If you do end up posting this, call it destroying the $5 pistol.
Up. Yeah, I know.
Which way you? Oops.
This kind of looks like a
Luger.
A Luger, yeah.
This is a $5 gun.
Wait, Dalton, look at this. This little piece on the side.
You're like pointing that in space.
This little piece on the side is just entirely fake.
You mean the grip?
It still works.
Jeez, if anything, it shoots further.
Don't-
Xavier, you're hitting.
Oh, I'm hitting? Okay.
Yeah. We'll throw the pieces away after.
Hold that.
If I get hit, I swear.
Stand over here.
stand there?
Hold it steady.
You missed!
Alright.
Mulligan.
Try it again. You want to toss it this time? Or what? You want to toss or? Well, yeah. Wait, you want to toss and then swing?
Dalton, move back.
Who cares?
Kind of delayed my sunrise time. Barrel? What barrel?
Barrel? What are those?
Barrel.
Wait, let me see this barrel.
The magazine keeps falling out.
Is
Probably
this-
like no
Probably
accuracy.
works.
Oh my god, it does!
Alright, we have to break it to where you can't use it.
Shoot me with it.
Wait, shoot.
You want to feel it?
Here. You missed!
No, it bounced off your shoulder. Did it not?
No, you missed!
There's another BB in it.
Oh.
Because he just knew you were gonna miss.
Oh, didn't even cock.
Couldn't even cock.
It's not even in there. It's broke. It's Jesus.
It's not feeding.
It's not feeding. Alright, let's just swing. What?
It feeds? You got it to feed?
Oh, really? Ah! Just kidding. It didn't shoot me.
It hit you.
I think it hit your pant leg.
I didn't even feel it.
Yeah.
That's pathetically weak. That's like not even like straight.
Alright, Dalton, you're up.
Roll!
You whiffed.
What the heck was this? Again,
Mulligan.
I'm getting that out there.
We're gonna see this spring fly off into the abyss.
Ah,
You suck.
I'll just toss it to you because I'm gonna miss every time.
That was good. Here, let me see.
Wait a minute.
Dude, can't you put that in slow-mo?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we have to watch that in slow-mo.
Hold that up.
That.
That's pretty good. Let's go find all the pieces. Something big went over here. Oh, there's the mag.
The mag still is
Half the
okay.
handle.
No, it's not. The mag's broke.
Oh, the mag broke. Why is the mag the thing that took the
Now
least
we have to lay
damage?
this out.
A big piece went over here.
Cam can see.
Yeah, I threw all the parts by the store.
If you do end up posting this, call it destroying the $5 pistol.
Okay. I'll probably put that right in the beginning of the video. Honestly.
Alright.
Yeah, that'll be a highlight.
It went over here. There it is.
Where?
The other half of the gun.
Hey, I had the other half. Alright, let's bring it back.
See if we can put it back together.
Yeah.
Well, to some extent. I think that's all the pieces, honestly. Battery's almost dead.
Jesus.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, here's that.
Where's
And
the
this-
barrel at?
The barrel is gone.
It went
Didn't
that
we
way.
have the...
Wait, I have the barrel.
Yeah,
You do?
kinda.
Oh wait, you're like the barrel's gone, but you're holding it. Okay.
I have a piece of the barrel.
Oh, that's the barrel.
These go here. This goes in here.
This one in. that goes in there. I think that's actually all the pieces.
This is what's left.
All of the functioning pieces.
All of crap.
No, that's all of it.
We don't even have the trigger.
I think they were missing that piece actually.
No, we're not gonna find the
We're
trigger.
not gonna find that.
It's too small.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Our final product.
Yep.